Okay, here we are. Whoop, hang on, no, we zoom out. Back for part two of the Shack PC. We had delivery of a box and motherboard. I've dropped in the processor already. That's the cooler and fan that comes with it, but I'm not using that. I got this. It's an Antec C400 cooler. It's got the copper pipes, so should give a bit better cooling than the stock one. Memory for now, 8 gigs DDR3, and first thing I suppose to go in would be the back plate. Don't want to forget that. A couple of SATA cables that come with it, and an IDE. I know IDE is very old school, but I'll be using that for my my DVD drive. I don't have a USB one at the moment, so there we go. So I've got the I've got the standoffs in for the motherboard, so I suppose put in the back plate, get the motherboard in there. But before I do all that, I will fit the cooler, and I'll fit the cooler and the RAM. Have all that done. Very good with the cooler. In the box comes all these different attachments depending on your motherboard, and some thermal paste. All comes in the box. Very good value. So there you go. We'll get that in, and we'll be back then when we get a bit further along.